I'm Aknur Karabai, Research Assistant at the Institute of Smart Systems and Artificial Intelligence. This video is to introduce new feature, saving and loading simulations. During our practical work with simulator, we realized that it takes very long time to conduct a simulation. Computation time for a single day takes around 10 seconds, and there are a number of parameters to adjust for 17 regions. And in most simulations, we come to the branching point and then simulate different scenarios. So to save time and increase the efficiency, we have introduced a function to load the simulation results up to this branching point and then try different scenarios without repeating the same scenario again and again. We have prepared the package for COVID-19 in Kazakhstan from 1st March 2020 to 14th April 2020. The parameters used are manually fitted based on educated cases to replicate the current number of deaths in Kazakhstan. We have saved the simulation results and included in the latest package of our software, which can be downloaded at the link shown below. The new simulations for the future dynamic of COVID-19 based on different scenarios can be conducted using this saved instance. Disclaimer: the simulation results for each separate region may not replicate the real numbers due to several reasons. The stochastic nature of our simulator and also real world. Secondly, lack of extensive testing to identify the infected, exposed, and immunized in the real population. Third, the lack of international transfers in our model after we start the simulation. And the last, the parameter discrepancy between the simulation and the real world cases. The following scenarios have been used to prepare this package. Here is simulation results for 14th April 2020. So in total we have 17 deaths for the Kazakhstan, out of which 10 are concentrated in Nur-Sultan city. All the simulation results that needs to be loaded to the simulator should be saved in the following directory. In the COVID folder we have the folder results, and the package we have created is already saved in there, and it's called 14th April. Now I'll show you how to load the data from the result directory and continue the simulations. So this is the interface of our simulator, and here we have input folder name. So in this section we type the name of the folder we have saved our simulation results. So in our case we'll load 14th April package. This can be given any name for your any simulations. So we press load data from directory results. And here we have it, the simulation results up to 14th April 2020, and 17 deaths for Kazakhstan and 10 for Nur-Sultan city. So to continue the simulations after this date, you can manually adjust the parameters here and then run simulation. To illustrate this, let me introduce some changes to parameters. For example, we'll increase traffic ratio till 80. And we put 10 days, and we press run the simulation. So as you see, the simulation continues from the given date. Thank you. Hope you find useful this new option.